I know how easy it is getting caught up in endless Pinterest scrolling, saving all those inspirational pictures. We've all been there, admiring those beautiful woodworking projects and dreaming about creating something just as amazing. For a long time, I was stuck spending hours browsing, screenshotting, and pinning all those amazing projects. I got so overwhelmed by the inspiration that I never actually picked up my tools. It felt like I was always preparing, but never actually doing. But woodworking isn't always about creating something spectacular. It's about the joy of building and the satisfaction of making something with your own hands. There is something deeply fulfilling about transforming a piece of wood into something useful or beautiful. So one day I decided to start with something small, just like the project we're making today. And that changed everything. Finishing that first project, no matter how small, gave me a huge boost in confidence. It reminded me that the joy of woodworking comes from the process, not just the end result. Today's build is a perfect example of that. Made from a single 2x4, this ring-toss game is a fantastic project to start with. It's quick, it's fun, and it gives you a sense of accomplishment. There's something magical about creating with your own hands. That feeling of turning raw material into a finished product is truly satisfying. Woodworking has taught me that the process is more important than perfection. Each project, no matter how simple, builds your skills, your confidence, and your passion. It's those small victories that keeps you going and helps you improve over time. And trust me, the satisfaction of seeing a project through to completion is incredibly rewarding. In woodworking, as in life, it's the small, consistent efforts that makes the difference. Every master woodworker started somewhere. They all began with simple projects, learned from their mistakes, and gradually took on more complex challenges. Don't be afraid to start small. Celebrate your process, no matter how slow it may seem. When I first started, I made plenty of mistakes, and I still do. But each mistake is a lesson, and over time, I will improve my skills. So next time you find yourself overwhelmed by all the amazing projects out there, remember, it's about the process and the joy of creating. Start small, pick a project that excites you even if it seems simple. The act of building is what matters, and with each build you will see yourself grow as a woodworker. Whether you're building a ring toss game or crafting a piece of furniture, embrace the journey. Take pride in each step you take. The act of creation is powerful. And each project you complete is a testament to your growth and dedication. There is no rush, there is no need to compare yourself to others. Your woodworking journey is unique to you. I hope this inspires you to pick up your tools and start building. The joy of seeing a finished project, knowing that you made it with your own hands, is truly unmatched. Subscribe for more projects and tips. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. See you next time.